Hi, introduce myself. My name is Risviyani. I'm from 12th grade accounting 2 and I will explain how to make PowerPoint slides on the Canva application. Keep watching. Okay, first let's open the Canva application. Wait for this. And then to make a PowerPoint, select presentasi. And then select the slide you want. And this is an example of the PowerPoint slide that I chose. Then you can edit each PowerPoint slide according to your needs. This is an example. You can edit and change as you like. And after editing, you can directly download it so that it can be saved on your cell phone storage. And finally, wait for the PowerPoint slides to finish downloading.
Okay friends, how's the video? And I hope it helps you all, and see you.